Okay, welcome to another educative video on this channel Zero Energy TV, where we talk about energy issues and solutions on how to handle them. In today's video, I'll be asking the question, can 100% renewable energy power the world? That's a question many people have asked over the years because every year the world uses 35 billion barrels of oil. That is massive. This massive scale of fossil fuel dependence pollutes the earth and it won't last forever. Scientists estimate that we've consumed about 40% of the world's oil. According to present estimates, at this rate we'll run out of oil and gas in 50 years or so, and in about a century also for coal. On the flip side, we have abundant sun, water, and wind. These are renewable energy sources, meaning that we won't use them up over time. What if we could exchange our fossil fuel dependence for an existence based solely on renewables? We've pondered that question for decades, and yet renewable energy still only provides about 13% of our needs. That's because reaching 100% requires renewable energy that is inexpensive and is also accessible. This represents a very huge challenge in the world today. Even if we ignore the politics involved and focus on the science and engineering, we can better understand the problem by understanding how we use energy itself. Global energy use is a diverse and complex system, and the different elements require their own solutions. But for now, we'll focus on two of the most familiar in everyday life: electricity and liquid fuels. Electricity powers blast furnaces, elevators, computers, and all manner of things in homes, businesses, and manufacturing. Meanwhile, liquid fuels play a crucial role in almost all forms of transportation. Let's consider the electrical option first. The great news is that our technology is already advanced enough to capture all that energy from renewables, and there's an ample supply. The sun continuously radiates about 173 quadrillion watts of solar energy to the earth, which is almost 10,000 times our present needs. Just imagine that for a minute. The sun is giving us enough energy, more than 10,000 times what we presently need. It's been estimated that a surface that spans several 100,000 kilometers would be needed to power humanity at our present usage levels. So why don't we just build that? Because there are other hurdles in the way, like efficiency and energy transportation. To maximize efficiency, solar plants must be located in areas with lots of sunshine year-round, like deserts, but those are far away from densely populated regions where energy demand is high. There are other forms of renewable energy we could draw from, such as hydroelectric, geothermal, and biomasses, but they also have limits based on availability and location. Don't forget, these educative videos are brought to you from Zero Energy TV. We are the leading solar inverter company in Nigeria, located at 55 Adeniran Ogunsanya Street in Surulere, Lagos. You can visit any of our offices and we will give you the best solar inverters that meets your need. Let's get back into our video. In principle, a connected electrical energy network with power lines crisscrossing the globe will enable us to transport power from where it is generated now to where it is needed. But building a system on this scale faces an astronomical price tag. We could lower the cost by developing advanced technologies to capture energy more efficiently. The infrastructure for transporting energy would also have to change drastically. Today, power lines lose about 6 to 8% of the energy they carry because wire material dissipates energy through resistance. Longer power lines would mean more energy losses. Superconductors could be one solution. Such materials can transport electricity without dissipation. Unfortunately, they only work if cooled to low temperatures, which requires energy and defeats the purpose again. To benefit from that technology, we'll need to discover new superconducting materials that operate at room temperature. And what about the all-important oil-derived liquid fuels? The scientific challenge there is to store renewable energy in an easily transportable form. Recently, we've gotten better at producing lithium-ion batteries, which is one of the batteries we use at Zero Energy for our inverters. They are highly lightweight and have high energy density. But even the best of these store about 2.5 megajoules per kilogram. That's about 20 times less than the energy in 1 kilogram of gasoline. To be truly competitive, car batteries would have to store much more energy without adding cost. The challenges only increase for bigger vessels like ships and planes. To power a cross-Atlantic flight for a jet, we'll need a battery weighing about 1,000 tons. This too demands a technological leap towards new materials, higher energy density, and better storage. One promising solution would be to find efficient ways to convert solar into chemical energy. This is already happening in labs in many places in the world, but the efficiency is still too slow to allow it to reach the market. To find novel solutions, we will need lots of creativity, innovation, and powerful incentives. The transition towards all renewable energies is a complex problem involving technology, economics, and politics. Priorities on how to tackle this challenge depend on the specific assumptions we have to make when trying to solve such a multifaceted problem. But there's ample reason to be optimistic that we'll get there. Top scientific minds around the world are working on these problems and making breakthroughs all the time. And many governments and businesses are investing in technologies that harness the power of renewable energy all around us. And that's it for this video. Don't forget, if you have a need for solar inverters anywhere you are in Nigeria, reach out to us today at Zero Energy and we'll be happy to help you install your inverters and let you see the benefits of renewable energy. Thank you again for watching this video. And if you've gained something valuable from this video, share this video with your friends, subscribe to this channel and like this video. Thank you so much and have a great day.